Okay, I need to share. Okay, can see my textbook? Someone on mic?
Yes, can, teacher.
Okay, so the previous exercise, any question you want to ask? Maybe the answer not accurate. Maybe you can't get the answer. Because this one got no working one. Is, you know, I got to show you through the table or in not the calculator. Okay, I count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so no questions. Then we go to the lessons. Okay, this is what we want to learn for today. Okay, for that day, I give one example, a simple example, the simplest example. Okay, this. So you see, the day you have learned, okay, how to use this table to find the area or the probability. Okay, still remember that the probability is same as the area under the curve. Okay, so this one, after you find from the table, the answer is this. Okay, this one, the answer is this. Okay, sorry. Remember this, the answer is the value inside. This one we call it inside. Then all this we call it outside. This one is, we call it outside. This outside value is this value. Okay, the one on the z-axis. And then this inside value is this. Okay, the area under the curve. Okay, I hope you are very clear on this, because afterwards what we're going to do is okay, this way. Means they give you this. Okay, they give you the area under the curve. They want you to find this. Find for the outside value, means the value of the z. Okay, find this value. Okay, if you have this kind of question, I always will see inside out. From the inside, you find the value and then read outside. Okay, inside out. Yeah, so now how do we find it? Okay, you can see actually this table there are sequence on this table. We start from here is 0.5. Okay, and then the number becomes smaller and smaller. Okay, until here 0.4641. Okay, for 0.09. Okay, then after that, when you have a 0.104602. Okay, smaller than this number. Okay, then continue, become smaller and smaller and smaller. Then same thing, the third row, first number will be smaller than the second row, the last number. Okay, then continue. Okay, until the end the same. Therefore, there is no problem for you to find this number inside this table, okay, to link it to the outside number, which is refer to the value of the z. No problem, because this is follow sequence. Okay, this is not call you to hunt search word, you know, no, not like that. Okay, it's follow sequence. So you see 4071. Okay, so you here you have a 42. Okay, here you have a 38. 4071 will be in between here. Okay, 4168 is still bigger than this. 4129 is still bigger than this. 4090 is still a little bit bigger than this. Okay, but when it come to here 4052, this is smaller than this already, so don't take this. You got to take this a bit bigger than this. It's because afterwards how you want to get a very close value to this or exactly to this is by minus. So remember, you got to subtract, okay, the second last two digits from here. Okay, so you choose this Okay, don't choose this because after you need to subtract something. Okay, so your answer is 0.2, 3, and then you see how much you need to subtract. Okay, so you got to test law. Okay, if 90 you subtract 19, then you get 71. Okay, so this is the answer. Therefore, okay, your answer is 0.235. Okay, 0.235. Okay, this is how inside out, okay, been read. Yeah. Okay, we go to a first example. Okay, here they show you the table. Okay, so I don't call out my table. After they don't show you the table, then I call out the table. Okay, so before that, same thing, same like previous lesson. Okay, you always sketch this bell shape. Okay, and then draw a line. Okay, Z is bigger than A, mean, okay, shake the right hand side of the A. Okay, A is the value on the Z axis. Okay, bigger than, so you shake the right hand side from the line of the A. Okay, so 0.3851, okay, is the area under the curve. Okay, that's shaded one. Now, how to read inside out? Okay, 3851. Okay, you see here 3897. Okay, 3859. Okay, very close already. You just need to minus 8 so that you can get 3851. Okay, minus 8. 8 is here. Therefore, your answer is 0.292. Okay, your answer is 0.292. Okay, for A. Remember, this table is for you to read the right tail. Okay, if after you sketch your bell-shaped graph is not the right tail, then you got to make adjustment. Okay, this one last lesson we learned a lot already. Okay, we see the next questions. Okay, this is what I mean. After you draw, okay, or you sketch, then your diagram didn't show the right tail. So what we're going to do? Okay, so you look at this. Okay, this is the questions. Okay, Z smaller than A. Okay, Z smaller than A. So left hand side of the A you got to shade. Okay, is equal to 0.3851. Okay, but how do I know where I put my A? Uh, can I put my A here? Then Z is smaller than A. So this area is 0.3851. Can I, instead of this, can I do this? Anyone want to answer my questions? Come, I will give mark. I call out my table. Wait for one. Okay, open to anyone. Okay. Why so quiet? Come on. Anyone can on the mic. Why I cannot use the one I draw? Why I have to do like the answer show? Hello, are you still there?
Yes, yes.
Okay, come on. Anyone want to answer? Cepat, cepat.
Can
Okay,
you
let
repeat the
us ask.
question?
Okay, you see here, this one, these questions are. B, okay. What do you think where the A should be? The A should be on the left, okay, of the 0, or the A should be on the right of the 0. Okay, Z is smaller than A equals to 0.3851. Okay, means you shade the left-hand side of the A, and then the area is 0.3851. Okay, but why you take the A on the left of 0? Why you don't take this? I want the reason.
Negative, the A is negative.
How do you know A is negative? You don't look at the answer lah. The answer tell you A is negative, then you write answer is negative. No, you must know the reason.
Because the sign there, B, Z
What
less
sign?
than A. No.
No. Okay, if okay, look at this question. The left hand side exactly the same. The right hand side, this is 0.3851. This is 0.7851. Okay. For this, the A is on the left of 0. For this, the A is on the right of 0. I have give you clue enough. Suping, is Suping here?
Yes.
Do you want to try?
Don't know.
Don't know. Okay. Sirania.
Teacher, is it because the Z is smaller than A?
No, you see, you look at this question. And these questions. Okay, both also Z is smaller than A, correct or not? Okay. But for this question 0.3851, the A is on the left of 0. But for this 0.7851, the A is on the right of 0. Come on, anyone want know the answer, then you can cut Q. Siranya? Yeah.
Wait, I'm teacher still thinking.
Sarah? Because less than 0.5, correct. Okay, you see this. You see this small area, if this is half of the bell, this is 0.5. Because this is 0.3851, smaller than 0.5. So it should be smaller than what I shade here. Because the area is more than 0.5, yeah, Siti Farah, for this, 0.7851 is more than 0.5. So the A should come here because half of the bell here 0.5 plus this piece then is more than 0.5. This is the reason. Okay, okay, now how do I erase this? This one the one. Okay, or this the one, or this the one. Okay. Okay, now the diagram is this way. Okay, so remember there is a reason where you mark your A. Okay, it's on the left or on your right of the 0. That is the reason. Okay, so you see here this diagram. Okay, it shows very clear because the A is on the left of the 0, so A is negative. Okay, so remember at the end your answer is negative. Okay, and then you remember for this tail and for this still means if this area 0.3851 and then for this area 0.3851, the area are the same, okay, they are symmetry. If this is a number, let's say k, then this one will be negative k. Okay, means this one is the right tail. You can read from the table. Okay, after you read the table, okay, you just put a negative for your answer. Yeah, so now we start. Okay, we read from the table. Is it the same thing? 3851, 3851. Okay, same as question A. Okay, so you read from the table. Okay, right tail. This one give you 0.292. Therefore, for this one is negative 0.292. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, this is for B. Okay, now we go to C. C, just now I make use of this number. Do you see? 7851. This is more than 0.5. So, first of all, you got to ask yourself, okay, the A should be like this, or the A should be like this. Okay, I don't know, correct or not? Okay, so then we see on this, Z is bigger or smaller? If bigger than A means shade on the right hand side of the A. Okay, now the area is this big or bigger than 0.5 or. So is this small tiny area or should be this one bigger than 0.5? So you choose this one or. Therefore again your A is negative. Okay, so don't choose this one. Okay, now how to read this? Okay, you see here this is right tail, but the problem I don't have a value of this of a negative. So how am I going to do? Okay. Now you got to think how you can get this 0.7851. Okay, you can do this. Means 1 minus this piece, you are getting this. Okay, 1 minus this piece, I write here 1 minus, okay, this one. I draw diagram lah, it's easier. Okay, 1 minus. Okay, if the previous lesson you didn't do, this lesson langsung cannot catch up. Okay, 1 minus here, this one. Okay, then you get this. Okay, now how to find this? Okay, this one is same like question B. See, it's same like question B. Okay, so this one, how to find this? I want to find this. Okay, so you need to know the area of this. How to know the area of this? Come on, anyone? Oh, just now Sarah, I had to give her 1 mark. Siti Farah also can? No, anyone want to tell me? My question is, how to get this area that I label dot dot dot? Because this area is too big. Okay, it's not in the table. Okay. So I have to
0.7851.
1 minus what?
0.7851.
Okay, 1 minus 0.7851. The answer is here though. You are? Kritika, is it? Who you are? Just now who answer me?
Vanessa.
Who answer me just now?
Vanessa.
Vanessa. Oh. Vanessa, not Kritika. Nanti bagi salah-salah orang. Okay, Vanessa. Thank you, Vanessa. Okay, 1 minus, correct. Okay. So you get the 1 minus this big area, you get the dot 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 area. Okay, so this is the area that you get. Okay, here, this one, you need to read from the table inside out. Okay, now I call out my table. 2149. Table where? This one. Not this. Oh, yeah, sorry. 9. 0 point. Sorry. 2149. Sorry. 2149. Okay, I'll make it bigger. Okay, 2149, come. I have to make it bigger. Okay. Two, 149. Okay, again, right here. 2149. Okay, so you see, here is 22. Okay, 2222, 2177, 2148. I don't choose 48. Okay, where even though 48 is very close to 49, but don't choose this. You cannot less than. Okay, try to choose this. Okay, see whether you know you can get something to minus and then it's very close to this. If not, then you choose this. Okay, how about we choose this and then we minus the largest one. Okay, 2177. Okay, minus 27. How about this? Okay, this is 0, 21. This is okay, 50. Okay, so there is no exactly answer 2149. Means you can choose either this, okay, with subtract or minus 9. If not, then you choose this, either one. Okay, so your answer can be 0.789. Your answer can be 0.789. Your answer also can be 0.7 and then 9. Okay, 9 means 90. I don't want. The answer in the book is 789. Okay, but actually you can accept both. Okay, so I come back to the book. Okay, so the answer here is 0.789. Okay, but you see, okay, remember the negative. Okay, remember the negative because it's based on the diagram. Okay, A is on the left of the 0. Okay, so all this when you start you sketch and then you got to remark. Okay, you see here. Okay, A is negative. They put a remark. You don't write lah. Okay, maybe you are lazy to write and not so long. You just say A is negative. Okay, put a remark there. Means you got to remember at the end your A is negative. Okay, always students tend to make this kind of mistake one. Okay, the final answer A is negative, but they write positive. Okay, so always when you analyze already, you know the A is negative or positive. Okay, straight away write a remark. Remind yourself, not remind me or remind the examiner. No, it's remind yourself. Okay, A is negative. Okay. Next, we go to D. Okay, D is Z is in between. Okay, two number. Okay, one number is given, the other number asks you to find. Okay, so in between. Okay. This one actually the A can be at the left hand side of the 0 also, but assume we assume this way first, and then when you do you cannot get you only change. Okay, but seldom but can be. Okay, so because negative 0.1 is on the left already okay, we try to put the A is on the right. Okay, and then the area in between negative 0.1 to A is 0.3851. Okay, so how to read from the table? What to read from the table? Okay, we want to read from the table only right till. Okay, so how we can do? Okay, they didn't say this is symmetry, no. Okay, if this is symmetry, then the A is 0.1. Okay, but no, okay, I don't know what is the A, okay, then how to do? Okay, so you still remember we got to use 1 minus this and 1 minus this. Okay, 1 minus, let's say this area is, let it be x lah. Okay, this area. Okay, so 1 minus this and 1 minus this, you will get this, no? Okay, so first of all, we find this area. This one we can use a table and get. This one is the normal reading. From outside, you read inside. Because it's from the Z value, I want to get the area. I hope you don't confuse, because now it's like getting more and more difficult. Okay, so means because it's negative, this one, I just extract out this part. Okay, negative 0.1. Okay, I just want to show how they get 0.4602. This one is revision again. Okay, this part I want to read from the table. So this one, I will change to right tail. Negative 0.1 becomes 0.1. Okay, I hope you still remember. Then become right tail. This area and this area are the same. Therefore, I read 0.1. Okay, so now I call to my table 0.1. Okay, 0.1 is here. Okay, 0.10. Okay, this is the answer. 4602. Okay, so 4602. This is how you get the area of this. Okay, so now how to find this x leh? Okay, you know the whole thing is 1, so 1 minus this, then you get the x. Okay, so 1 minus this 2, you are getting the x here is 0.1547. Okay, so now can you read A leh? Okay, it will become like this already. If I know this area is 1547, what is A? Exactly the right tail. You don't have to do anything already. You just read from the table inside out because area given. Okay, so 1547, again, we come to here, 1547. 1547. Okay, this is the value I want to read. 15, 119, 16. Okay, 16 here, 16 here, 15 here, 15, 15, 15. Okay, 39 is too small. Okay, 26 is bigger. Okay, definitely I choose this. Okay, so my answer is this, and then this, and then I need to minus something. Okay, 62 and 47. 62 minus 47. Oh, where's my calculator? Come on, someone help. 62 minus 47.
15.
15,
Yes.
Okay, so 15, I find 15 to minus of. There is no 15 though. I only have 14 and 16. Okay, either one. Means your answer can be either this, can be either this. Okay? Okay, let's say we choose this lah. Okay? So your answer is 1.017. 1.017. Okay, let us see the answer. 1.017. Okay, bingo. Correct. Yeah. I hope you so far okay, more and more difficult, Okay, now we come to E. Okay, E the same thing. Okay, in between. Okay, now A is the one on the left, and then on the right is 2.1. So you see the diagram. Same thing. You temporarily set the A is on the left hand side of the 0. Okay, then the area is 0.8633. Okay, same. I need to get this area so that I know, okay, what is this area. Okay, so how to get this area? 2.1 given, want to get area. So read outside and then go inside. Okay, read from the table 2.1. 2.1, okay, go down. Okay, 2.1 is here. So the answer is 0.0179. 0.0179. Okay, 0.0179. Okay, then how to get this? Same thing, 1 minus these 2. Okay, 1 minus these 2, you will get 0.1188. Okay, remember I asked you to do the remark because you know A is on the left of 0. Okay, this is a remark. A is negative. Okay, then same thing, same like this. Okay, they are symmetry. So you just read from the table. Okay, area given, so inside out. And then remember, at the end, the answer is negative. Okay, now we read inside out 1188. 1188. All right, here. I want 0.1188. 11 where? 12, 11, 51. Here. 70 is still smaller. So this is the 90. Okay, 90 and 88. So different is 2. Then I choose this. So my answer is 1.1. And then I have to scroll up. Okay, so 1.1 and then 81. 1.181. 1.181. Okay, remember with the negative. Okay, now we come to last already. Okay, for Z modulus smaller than A. This one you have learned, is Z with the modulus smaller than a value. So means it's in between A to negative A. So the diagram is in between. Okay. So this is A and this is negative A. Means this is the same, just the sign different. So they are symmetry. Okay. So if they are symmetry means this and this also same size. Okay. So this one I can cut into half. The 4742 I cut into half. Then I know the area for this. So after that I use 0.5 minus this. Then I will get this area, which is right till. Okay, so all this, if you don't want to write, is okay. All this, you don't know how to write, you don't want write, is okay. You just sketch the graph, okay, and then do like mine, then just give the answer. Okay, all these are the step. Actually, there's no mark lah. Okay, but all this you must to show. All this you must to show. Okay, maybe how you get this? How you get this? This one is read from the table, nothing to show. Sorry, this one read from the table, nothing to show. This one, how do you get? Maybe you show it. Okay, you write 1 minus 0.8633 minus 0.0179 equals this. Then you show. Any working, then you show. You show here and there, a piece. If you don't know how to write in this way. For me, you want me to write in this way and explain to you, is even more difficult actually. Okay, I think the diagram is easier. Okay, so now you see the whole piece is 0.4742. So now this whole piece I'm going to cut into half because this is symmetry. Okay, so this one divide into 2. Okay, I will get. Wait, I go and find my calculator. Oh, it's here. Okay, so this one you get 0.2371. Okay, then this one is 2371, the shaded one. So I want to get this is by using 0.5 minus 2371. Okay, so the answer is 2629. Then this is right tail. So you can use straight away direct from the table, okay, inside out to get the value of the A. Okay, so 2629, I come back here, 2629, 2629, where? 27 here, this is 24 already, 26 here, 4311. Okay, 11 is smaller the one, so this is the answer. Okay, so my answer is 0.63. 0.63. 63 what? 43 and 29. 43 minus 29. Here, 43 minus 29. Okay, 14. Okay, this is 14. So you got to minus 14. Okay, same thing. Don't have 14 is in between 13 and 16. 14 is in between here, but it's nearer to 13. So you choose this. Okay, so the answer you choose 4. So the answer is 634. Okay, go back here. 634. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so I have finished this part. Okay, now we want to see how do we apply it. Okay, we hope the question is easy. Okay, not so complicated. Okay, you can see some questions are quite okay, then some are quite complicated. Okay, look at example 20. Okay, Z is a normal distributions. Okay, the first number here is mean. Okay, and then variance. Okay, variance don't know. Okay, or the standard deviations okay, also don't know. Okay, then they give you this okay, probability for X. Okay, greater than 51 is equal to 0.2888. Okay, find the value of sigma. Okay, which is the standard deviations. Okay, so mu is 45, which is the mean is 45. Okay, we start with this. Remember to change to Z score. You don't change to Z score, you cannot use this table. Okay, so change to Z score. Okay, how to change to Z score? Okay, minus the formula, minus mu divided by sigma. Okay, so minus 45 divided by sigma. Sigma don't have is the one you want to find. That's why you just write sigma. Okay, this one you can write as Z already. Okay, 51 minus 46 is 6. Okay, so this is the most simplest that you can do already. So you just leave it. Okay, then all the right hand side, the 0.2888, you bring down until here. Okay, then sketch the graph. Okay, Z is smaller than 6 over sigma. Okay, you write here. Sorry, Z is bigger than, not smaller than. Okay, bigger than means the area you shake on the right hand of the 6 over sigma. Okay, and then you label the area is 0.2888. Okay, so this is right tail. Okay, area given, so you read inside out. Okay, so 0.2888. Okay, we go back to the table. 2888. Okay, I change another color lah. Do like that. Okay, 0.2888. Okay, this is the number that I want to find from inside, go outside. 2888. Okay, 20, 23, 27, 27, 27. Okay, here 28, 4377. Okay, 2877 is smaller, so we don't see this. Okay, we see to this. Okay, so this is the answer. This is 5, sorry. Okay, 0.55. Okay, 12. Oh, this is a 912. You got to take 912 and minus 888. Okay, and then see what is the difference. 912 minus 888. Okay, 24 the difference. Okay, so you go to minus 24. Okay, see at the back, 24 is here. Therefore, this is the answer. Okay, look at the green color one. So the answer is 0.557. Okay, 0.557 is the answer. Okay, 0.557. Okay, this is how they get. Okay, then let this answer be equal to 6 over sigma. Okay, then find the sigma. Okay. So if you don't know how to read the table, then this question you cannot do. Look at example 21. Okay, continuous random variable x, okay, is a normal distributed with a mean mu and a variance 12. Okay, pay attention here, variance, okay, mean this is sigma squared. Okay, always assume make mistake with if the variance and the standard deviations. You see here, square root, because here they want sigma, but here they give sigma squared. Okay, so we'll start with this. Okay, now they want you to find mu. Just now they want you to find standard deviation. Okay, so we start with this. Same thing. We do z-score. Okay, change this to z-score. So minus mu divided by sigma. Okay, so minus mu divided by sigma. This one nothing can be done. Okay, you just have to stop here and then sketch the table. Sketch the graph. Okay, let's see how we analyze from here. Okay. If you don't want to so difficult to write this whole thing, this one you can write in this way. You can just write this is a k. Okay, you can write let k equals to okay, then after that when you settle for a k, then only you come and substitute inside here to get the mu. Okay, so mean this whole thing I don't write it so complicated I write this whole thing as a k. Okay, so now z is bigger than this k. Z is bigger than this k. The area is 0.8438. As I say before this, okay, you don't know the k will be on the left or on the right of the 0. Okay, then you see 0.8438 is bigger than 0.5. So it means it's more than half of the value. Okay, so the k is on the left of the 0. Okay, then remark k is negative because it's on the left of 0. Okay, now you see this area is 0.8438. So this area okay, I use 1 minus 0.8438. Okay, then I get 0.1562. Okay, 0.1562, if you convert it into a right tail, okay, here is 0.1562. Okay, you just go and read the value and then it will be equal to this k but with a negative. Okay, now we go and read the value 1562. Okay, here. Okay, use another color lah. Okay, 1562. Okay, where 15? This is 16. 15 is here. 15, 15 don't want smaller 39 also don't want smaller. Okay, very good, exactly. So this is 1.01. Okay. Okay, so here is 1.01. Therefore, remember your k with the remark k is negative 1.01. Okay, so you let this 32 minus mu divided by sigma 12 equals to negative 1.01. Okay, and continue. Okay, to get the mu. Okay, so today you do the balance, the homework for this exercise. Whatever you didn't do that day, do all. So this is homework today. Today is what? Okay, do the balance. I didn't write the index for today, Oh, because this is the halfway. Okay, you write index for today, solving problem. Okay, we go through this example. Okay, this is all now a real life example. Okay, so this one is they're talking about the thickness of paper produced by a machine. Okay, mean is 1.05, standard deviation 0.02. Okay, determine the property that a piece of paper chosen randomly will have a thickness. They want probability, means they want the P, okay, thickness between these two numbers. So you write P, okay, the X is in between these two numbers. Okay, this is the last part of this chapter already. Okay, so if this one you can do, means normal distribution you can do lah. Okay, if this type of question you can do. So first of all, change to z-score. Okay, minus mu divided by sigma. 3 also same. Okay, so remember this one is just write back as z. This one you just press calculator, get these two value. Okay, now I analyze. Okay, same like what I said just now. This part you don't write is okay. You just show it through the sketch of the graph. Okay, so 2 to negative 1.5 to 2. So negative 1.5 is on the left of the 0. 2 is on the right of the 0. Okay, so you mark these two lines. In between, you shade the area that in between. Okay, so how to find this area? Finding the probability means find this area. Okay, so you use 1 minus this dot 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 and 1 minus this dot dot dot. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay, so how to find this two? Okay, this is right tail, the dot 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 one. So go and read here. 2. Okay, go down some more. Okay, 2 is here. 2.0, so 0.0228. 0.0228. So here, this one is 0.0228. Okay, then how about this? This one also got no problem. Okay, if you do so many times already, you know, this is symmetry with the right tail. Okay, with the z is 1.5. Okay, so go and read 1.5. 1.5, 0.0668. Okay, 0.0668. Okay, done. Okay, so how to get the shaded area? Okay, this one. 1 minus this 2 row. Now, this is how you get 1 minus this. Okay, then the answer. We go to B. Okay, same. Find the probability. Okay, more than 1.08 or less than 0.0992. Okay, this one you got to separate in become two probability. Okay, because you can't, there's no way to connect it. Okay, then you see the or. So in between is plus. This one you got to remember. Okay, so bigger than, more than 1.08, 1.08, bigger than, more than. Okay, less than, smaller than 0.992. Okay, same. Next step is change to z-score. Okay, change to z-score, then you will have this. Okay, then same thing, you just sketch the graph. Okay, one is bigger than 1.5, the other side is smaller than negative 2.9. This one no problem, also same thing, you just read from the table. Okay, both also you read the right tail, you read for 1.5, read for 2.9. Okay, then just add it out because you are adding the area. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, see one more example. Okay, chicken. Okay, the mass of chicken. Okay, so the mean is 1.2, standard deviation 0.3. Okay, you have this one is 1,500 chicken. Okay, so find the number of your chicken. Most masses are between. Okay, 0.95, 1.18. So before you want to find the number, okay, you find the probability first. After you get the probability time with this 1,500, then you will get the number that the masses is in between these two. Okay, so first you got to find the probability. The x is in between 0.95 to 1.18. X is in between 0.95 to 1.18. Okay, then change to z-score by minus mu divided by sigma. Okay, next draw the graph. Okay, so you see how both are negative. Both are negative. Okay, therefore the two line is on both also on the left of the zero, and then the area is in between. Okay, this one also not difficult. You just get the from the table, and then you just minus. When you minus, very simple, just big area minus small area. The big number minus small number is because probability cannot be negative. Okay, area also cannot be negative. Okay, so you just read from the table 0.833 and read from the table 0.067. Okay, then see which one is bigger. Okay, so 0.4733 is bigger, then you get 0.4733 minus the other one. Okay, so this is the probability. Okay, so remember they are asking the number of chicken. Okay, the message is in between this, so you get the probability times the 1500, because 1500 is a total. Okay, then you get the number of chicken. Okay, I'm not sure is it exactly, let me try. 0.2708 times 1500. Okay, the answer actually is this. Okay, because they are asking of number of chicken, so chicken cannot be 0.2. Okay, so the answer is 406. Okay. Okay, part B. Wait, what is the part B questions? Okay, find the value of the m. Okay, for the probability for x is smaller than n equal to negative 1. Okay, so we just start from here. This one you got to read inside out one, okay, because area is given, Okay, change to z-score. Remember, every time change to z-score. If not, cannot use the table. Just remember this. Hey, time's up already. What do you have now? Can I continue a little bit only? Give me 5 minutes. Can I? Melissa? Yes, okay, thank you. Okay, so this one, change to z-score. After change to z-score, you cannot do anything because m cannot minus 1.2, okay, and then cannot divide by 0.3. Just leave it. Okay, same thing. If you don't want, if you don't want this to written here, okay, you can label it as a K or any other symbol. Okay, then you know that this K will be this 3. Okay, then you sketch a graph. Okay, Z is smaller than K. Okay, this one you let K already. Okay, is equal to 0.1. Okay. Z is smaller than, so you shade the left hand side of this line, smaller than. Okay, negative 0.1. Okay, if you put your K is on this side, cannot be negative 1 because negative 1 is smaller than 0.5. So your K have to be on the left hand side of the 0. So K is negative. Put a remark. K is negative. Okay, same thing, very simple. Read inside out, right tail. Okay, convert it into right tail. You just after remember to write your K is negative. Okay, so 0.1. Go and see here, inside out 0.1. 0.1, 17 here, 14, 12, 1.0. Okay, it's in between here. Okay, if I get this value, do I have a 3? Or I don't have 3. Okay, maybe this long. Okay, so my answer is 1.2, go up. 1.282. 1.282. Okay? Sorry. Okay, so 1.282. 1.282. But remember with a negative. Okay, they put 281. Okay, either one can accept. Okay, so let this be negative 1.282, 1.2, 0.3. Okay, and then solve for the m. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay. So that's all. Okay, then you do this exercise. Just now the 5.12, you do the balance questions. Then this one is 6 questions. Okay, formative you don't do. Okay. That's all for today. Okay, wait, I want to okay, let me